Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Monsoon has been vigorous in various parts of India since many days, bringing incessant rains and heavy flooding and landslides. The flood situation in Bengal remained critical on Thursday, though there was less rainfall. In Madhya Pradesh, 12 people died and 7 were injured in various rain-related incidents in flood-ravaged Gwalior and Chambal divisions. Madhya Pradesh has been witnessing severe floods which followed the incessant rains on Tuesday for the past day and a half, and more than 1,200 villages have been affected by floods, officials said. Although more than 6,000 people have been evacuated by the disaster management officials so far, nearly 2,000 people are still estimated to be stranded in different parts of the state. The Indian Army, the SDRF, the Border Security Force and the National Disaster Response Force have all been deployed to lead the rescue and relief operations. Meanwhile, calling the flood situation in Madhya Pradesh grim, Chief Minister pointed out that the districts worst hit by the floods are Shiopur, Datia, Gwalior, Guna, Bhind and Morena. Meanwhile, the flood situation in 6 districts of the West Bengal deteriorated on Tuesday, with at least 15 people killed and thousands left homeless or marooned. The flood situation remained critical on Thursday, though there was less rainfall, the senior state government officials said there. The number of deaths due to the deluge remained unchanged at 23, as no fresh fatality was reported from any of the 7 affected districts, where around 3 lakh people have been shifted to rescue centers. Heavy rain and subsequent discharge of the water from the dams in the last few days have flooded large parts of the Purba and Paschim Bardhaman, Paschim Medinipur, Hooghly, Howrah, South 24 Parganas and Birbhum districts. On Thursday, 27,000 cubic water was released from the Maithon Dam of Damodar Valley Corporation, and it is within the normal range, officials said. More than 4 lakh hectares of the agricultural land in these 7 districts is under water now. As a result of heavy rains and the release of the water by the Damodar Valley Corporation and Durgapur Barrage, large parts of the 6 districts of the West Bengal have been flooded, killing at least 15 people and displacing nearly 3 lakh people. Hooghly, Howrah and West Medinipur are among the worst affected by the floods. In the Hooghly district alone, nearly 79,000 were affected, while crops and the livestock worth lakhs of rupees were destroyed. Around 345 villages are affected by the floods and more than 34,000 hectares of the crop areas have been damaged. Around 1,100 houses have been damaged in the district. Continuous rainfall has caused the flooding in many areas of Haldwani region of Rajasthan and cut off road connectivity to over 100 villages. Chief Minister of the state said rescue and relief works were being conducted by the teams of the National Disaster Response Force and the State Disaster Response Force. Heavy rains have created a flood-like situation in some areas of Kota, Baran, Bundi and Jalawar. Instructions have been given to administration regarding relief and rescue operations. In Dholapur, the Chambal river was flowing above the danger mark. In Bharatpur, heavy rains led to flooding in some areas. The Chief Minister said the administration in Dholapur and Bharatpur districts has been put on alert. According to the Meteorological Department, many areas in the eastern parts of the state have received heavy rains in the last few days. Road connectivity to more than 100 villages in the region was cut off, officials said. In Baran and nearby areas, extremely heavy rains have occurred. The highest of 280 millimeters rains occurred in Khatoli, followed by Bundi, that is 258 millimeters. Just to remind you all, Nanoland has organized an international webinar on climate change, and the theme is It's Tomorrow, Frozen or Molten Earth. Distinguished speakers from across the globe and from the varied backgrounds would be speaking and discussing the above topic. Hurry up now, book your seats and get enlightened from some of the astute personalities. Register by clicking on the link in the description box below. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.